G'day, I'm Cam from Runner Offroad. I'm going to bring you a few videos as we build up what's sort of known around Runner Offroad as Dano's ute. This used to have a mild GU TD42 turbo in it, 11mm pump, a few other bits and pieces, RE4 auto, 37 Maxxis razors, and it's done quite a few Tassie trips around the local tracks around here. So it's the go-to bush car on a Friday afternoon. As you can see here, we're part way through doing a fairly significant power upgrade. This is a pretty fresh, low kilometre LS3 6.2 litre with a 6 litre truck manifold, truck front bracketry so we can lift the alternator up out of the mud. So we're going to bring you some videos and some information as we build this car up over the next couple of weeks. Just definitely getting a birthday underneath as well as the drivetrain. So we're running the 6L80 with tap up, tap down shift, new diffs, rebuilding everything underneath, and it's going to be a nice fresh car. So step one of building up the front axle for this to fit one of our Runner Offroad brace kits. We've got two knuckle braces here, a lower and an upper, which support the knuckle, some extra bracing in on the radius arm mounts, and the little welding washers that bring that back to an original round hole to stop the radius arm bolts from flogging out the mount. The big brace that trusses the diff to support the long side, and then the same set of knuckle braces and bits and pieces on the opposite side. This means that we can be a little bit harder without having issues with the diff bending. And there's a pumpkin protector here which protects the crown wheel from any sort of large impact on the front. And it's all been coated in black Steelit so we can keep it looking nice for as long as possible. Here's a table of parts ready to go on that front diff, all from Runner Offroad. We'll quickly run through what we got here. We've got some RCV 300M axles and CVs, some bomb-proof 70-75 steering arms there. Now these weigh probably about 3 kilos each. Aluminium, very high tensile aluminium. Great quality arm that reduces your unsprung weight on the car. Some Fuji replacement spindles if we need one as we're rebuilding. Some Runner Offroad high articulation tie rod ends that will be going onto those steering arms. DriveTech 4x4 axle and swivel hub kit, so that gives us all our wheel bearings, seals, inner axle seals, everything we've got there. We are going to replace the inner axle seals with the trail gear seals. Some new genuine bearing caps there. Our new 4.8 litre brake upgrade kit, so this is two brand new 4.8 calipers, dimpled slotted rotors from RDA. These give us an extra 10mm rotor diameter. They're a bit thicker, give us some better braking performance with the power upgrade that the LS3 is going to bring. Some extreme pads, GU nut upgrade kit which is already on there, but we're going to put some new parts. Some genuine wheel studs in case we need them. Hub reinforcement rings. And then these obviously not going in the diff, but our fuel system with our new adapter ring. And our winter shifter with tap up, tap down retrofitted into the shifter.